Well, we're doing our walk today. We're killing two birds with one stone today. And the two birds are, we're walking from our hotel to the cruise port, roughly a 27-minute walk. Fingers crossed. And there's Andrea. It's actually a crisp early morning. I say early, it was like 11 o'clock. But it's nice. Yesterday was freezing. Freezing. But it was later in the day. No, it wasn't later in the day. We got here like at 9:30 in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning. Around the same time we're leaving, actually. Now more I think about it. It was much colder yesterday. Check it out. So Ubers in Quebec City average on a price of $50 no matter what, man. It's crazy. Expensive. I bought like a $9 bottle, maybe even a $7 bottle of wine that I would pay in the States. It was over $20 here. Oh, that's nice right there. Check that out, huh? See how the sun is on the flags? That's a nice picture right there. Yeah, we walked here last night down here. We'll probably walk here again today, I'm guessing. It's a beautiful morning, it really is. So last night we had some Lebanese food. Local place. Went back to the room. I tried to do some work. Oh my God, I was exhausted. I woke up this morning about maybe 2 a.m. I roll over to Andrea. I say, Andrea, what time did we go to bed? Apparently we went to bed to like 7:30. We were that exhausted. I didn't even realize what time I went to bed. You want to get a Quebec souvenir or you want to get that later? We'll get it later. Yeah, the goal right now is to get our walk in, get our steps in, check that box, get the bags on the ship, and then get off the ship, walk around town, really get into it. Really not that far from the downtown Old Port City area. Thank you, hon. She's taking care of the map. She says, Michael, take a left. Okie dokie. Check that out. Paris tacos. Interesting, huh? A little Paris tacos. Yeah, the hotel, I kind of like I keep calling it a hotel because that's what they claim it is. It's really not. It's like a rooming house or a hostel, I think it is. So I was kind of poo-pooing it, and then it kind of grew on me. Let's put it that way. It's getting windy. This was the plan right along to walk from the hotel to the cruise port. Try to check both boxes. Well, let's get back to the hotel, or motel, or rooming house. Airbnb single rooms. I don't know. We can call it all of the above, I guess. Oh, there's our ship right there. You see the ship? Right there's our ship. Yep, there's our ship. The Emerald Princess. So we'll have to check out the deal on the Emerald Princess. See what that's all about. What I can tell you walking from our hotel, or just walking in Quebec City, period. Pretty hilly. They're not like major hills, but they're hills. It's not a lot of flat walking, there's a lot of up and down walking. I'm guessing we got more people going to a cruise. You see people with their bags? Yeah, baby. It's cruise day. Oh man. Embarkation day, my favorite day. Hop on, hop off bus right there. We're getting closer. I can see it. Are we following this or are we going around? Alright, going this way. So thanks for coming along on our little walk today. We got some more Quebec City footage coming out, but it's always nice to go for a walk and get the steps in, close all the rings, have a couple of debates. Oh yeah, there she is. She's gonna take us all the way down to Florida, Fort Lauderdale. And then she's gonna take us to the Panama Canal. Holy smokes! She's gonna burn up a lot of gas. I'll tell you, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous morning. It really is. Like I said at the beginning, when we got here yesterday, oh, it was freezing. Freezing. So you gotta realize, we gotta pack for summer and winter. So we have summer clothes and winter clothes, and we can pull on our winter clothes at any time. Well, let's take a look at where we are. We can pull our winter clothes out only because, you know, we're in Quebec City, then we're going to be in Antarctica, and then we're going to be in Rio de Janeiro. I mean, we're going to have one warm climate, cold climate, warm climate, cold climate. It seems to be the way we travel. But I love it. I wouldn't change it for anything else. That's where we're going. Number 30. That's a nice sign. Tells you right where everything's going. Oh, Canada. I should know that national anthem by now. When I was younger, I used to watch a lot of hockey games. And they would do the American national anthem, the Canadian national anthem. Oh man, it was pretty cool. That's why I always go, oh Canada. Trying to get my old Canadian national anthem. Taxis are all lined up, bringing people to the cruise port. Top security today. Cruise day, man, the best. Legit the best. You'll see when we get to Fort Lauderdale, I'll have the sad face on. Gotta pack. Look, I'm already going to the sad face, and I haven't even begun the embarkation process. Let's stick with embarkation. A friend of ours, Lewis, told us, he said the Emerald is his favorite ship. So we're really looking forward to it. This will be our first time on the Emerald. Here we go. Embarkation day. Check out all these sailboats all lined up as we're walking over to the cruise terminal. Right there's the cruise terminal. Easy peasy to walk to. That's for sure. I would highly recommend walking if you have the ability to walk. And it's the weather's not that bad. Absolutely walk it. Easy walk. Keeps you healthy. And you get to see the sights. Like I would have never seen all these sailboats parked here. Well, I would have, but I wouldn't have been up close and personal to them. Good morning. All right. You ready for cruise day?
I'm a crew.
Oh, you're a crew? What do you do on the ship?
I'm galley.
You're in the
Chef.
Oh, you're a chef? Really? So am I gonna see you?
Yes.
Will you be up in the is it a Horizon buffet?
Yes.
Are you up in Horizon?
Yes.
So you're a sous chef?
No. Assistant.
Assistant.
Welcome. There.
Oh, I can't wait to see you. What's your name?
Grace.
Grace?
Yes.
Grace Michael, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'll see you up there.
Hope you enjoy on board.
Okay, dokie.
Enjoy your vacation.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Grace. Oh yeah, baby. Here we are. And we would like to say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.